Hello guys, what's up? How are you? And in this tutorial we are gonna discuss how to create interior element just using basic tools. Okay, so first you have to draw a rectangle, and then here you can see that all the elements are in a hexagon, so I'm drawing hexagon. Okay, now we will use offset tool. Okay, now guys, press F for offset tool. Okay, then draw a line just from center. Okay, just like that, and select all the models and make it in a group. Now what you'll have to do, you have to just copy it at the multiple location. Before that, I'm gonna apply a colors, and now you need to copy it just like that. Just press Ctrl and then move it for a multiple copy, guys. Okay, so it's a very easy method without any plugin to create a such kind of interior element. You don't have to install any plugins like that. Okay, it's a very easy actually, but it will take a couple of times to create such models. So it's pretty done in a SketchUp. Now you can download this model through the 3D warehouse. Okay, so if you have any query, please message me. If you have any problem to draw this kind of model, have fun guys. See you next video.